Okay, here we are on the fifth activity in lesson 15, the velocity. And so now we're transitioning from, we went velocity x to velocity y. Now we're looking at the rotation speed, kind of rotation velocity, if you will. So if we just run this, of course, we see just the sun kind of there. It's not really doing much of anything. And reading the kind of instructions here, you've already learned how to make your sprite spin by using the rotation block. For example, when you wanted your sprite to rotate by 2 degrees each time it was drawn, you put sprite.rotation equals sprite.rotation plus 2 inside of the draw loop. So inside of this draw loop, we could do something where we would increase the rotation by 2 each time, called the counter loop. That's kind of considered. So each time it would go through and redraw, it would recreate the sprite at a different rotation. But if we wanted to continually go and rotate as well, we can set up the rotation speed outside of the draw loop. So that's what they're having you do here. Make the sun rotate by 3 degrees each time using the rotation speed block. So it kind of is a little deceiving because it says each time. So you think, oh, I need to put it inside the draw loop. But the way that speed and velocity works, hopefully you guys have learned, is you don't have to put it inside the draw loop because it's not increasing each time. It's the same throughout the entire program. So all we have to do is just take sprite.rotation speed, and we're going to put it here right underneath where we set up the variable, just like we did with the velocity x and the velocity y. We need to change, instead of saying sprite, we're going to say sun rotation speed, and the number we put in here, you guessed it, is 3. We're going to have the rotation speed be 3. So we just set it there, set the rotation speed to 3. And then when we go ahead and reset and rerun our program, now our sun is continuously rotating throughout the program. So we are able to pass off that kind of puzzle and move on to the next challenge.